Welcome back to CG Dent Repair. We're here for part 3 of the 2009 F250. We're going to finish off this truck with the service box. We fixed a couple dents, undercoated the inside, and make sure it's ready for a hard day of work. Then we painted it to match the 2009 F250. If you missed part 1 or 2, make sure to go back and check them out so you can see the complete transformation of this truck. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing the transformation of this truck. Now it's ready for years to come. And as always, if you could smash that like and subscribe button, that way you won't miss any of our new videos.